They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear.
Hello Arvind. How are you?
I am fine, uncle.
What happened Arvind? You are looking very happy.
Yes, uncle. Actually, I have planned to purchase a new flat.
Wow, great news.
Thank you, uncle. I have visited some project sites where construction is going on. Maybe among their projects, and after considering my budget, will be booking a flat.
Nice. You must have also done all the inspection work, right?
Inspection work. What inspection? I have only visited construction site. Met their salesperson, who explained me about all the amenities which will be provided with the flat, like club, gymnasium, swimming pool, etc. Have also seen sample flat at construction site.
Construction is yet to start.
But as per salesperson,
Construction will start in some time.
and estimated to complete in 3 years.
Okay, but what about legal documents?
What legal documents?
Whether they made you aware that they are having all the required permission for construction.
They have not said anything about that. And how will I know about that? Please explain, uncle.
Sure. See, now it's mandatory rule that once promoter gets basic permissions of construction, they mandatorily required to register their project with the RERA authority.
Who's promoter? And what's RERA authority?
Promoter in simple language is the builder who is doing construction work or development work. In more simple language, promoter is one who constructs a building. And RERA authority is formed by Government of India under Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016.
So how that will be useful to me? Please, uncle, simplify the issue.
Sure, actually lot of builders were manipulating their customers. They were not at all provide constructed flat to the purchaser, or doing huge delay in providing constructed flats to the purchasers. Many builders used to cheat their flat purchases in many ways. So to overcome all these defects, the Government of India came out with new law and enacted Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016.
How will one know whether project is registered in RERA or not?
Good question. After obtaining basic permission for construction of building, the promoter before any sales or marketing or advertising, it is mandatory requirement for the promoter to register his project on RERA website. On registration of project, promoter will get a RERA registration number.
Okay.
And it is mandatory for all the promoters to put project RERA registration number in all the advertisement that promoter makes for the project. You will get registration number in all advertisements of real estate project. Promoter also required to mention RERA registration number in all its brochures and pamphlets of advertisements. Also in all the hoarding advertisements. Not only that, if you have heard advertisements of any project in FM radio, even in that they specifically mention that the project is registered with RERA and also mentions its RERA registration number.
Yes, have heard it. But was not knowing its importance. Still, uncle, I want to know it in more detail. Please continue, uncle. Also explain how RERA will help me.
Yes, sure. While registering the project with RERA, promoter required to upload his past experiences and details of his completed project. Promoter also required to provide all the details of his project in RERA website.
Does that RERA website is accessible? If it's accessible, then how?
Yes, absolutely, it's accessible. RERA website is accessible to everyone. Anyone can see project details in RERA website. by searching project, either by the name of the project or by name of the promoter. Or one can also find it with the project RERA registration number.
Okay, so by browsing RERA website and by going through completed project of promoter, I can know credibility of promoter. Great. What other details I should see in RERA website which will be helpful to me?
Check all permissions such as commencement certificate, which provide information of how much construction permission is with promoter. Also check sanction plan. It will give you idea of how many buildings will be constructed. And from the said sanction plan you can check where your building is located. Also check encumbrance certificate. It will help you to know what are the encumbrances in the said project land, such as litigations, bank loan, right of way, etc. Also check draft agreement for sale and allotment letter. From the said inspections, you will get the major idea about the entire project.
Yes, uncle. I am very thankful to you for providing such valuable knowledge.
You're always welcome, Arvind. By one paying for flat purchase is putting their lifetime earnings in it. And if one not wisely invest, he will lose all his money and may not get the flat.
You're very right, uncle. I will show invest money only after going through the information you provided.
Still, if you have any query, I am always there for. Simplify the things. If you people who watching the video found information useful, then do subscribe my channel, like my video, share it. And if any one of you have any query, then please comment below. We'll surely try to reply it in the best possible manner. Namaste.